So me and my dad went to Ridgedale, and we saw this really cool store. It's called like Lolli and Pops, and right there. And what I got, and I'll show you what you got. I got this huge worm thing. It has like the snake head. It's a snake. Yum. I really good like gummy. Yummy. Okay. The other thing I got was a giant gummy bear. It's really deformed though. Look, it's really deformed. Let's taste it. Okay. That looks like the back. It's not really back, but yeah. I'm gonna eat its ear. Pretty easy to bite too. Definitely better than a normal gummy worm. That back and bag. And then what my dad got was he got like this like rainbow swirls, maybe what it's called. I just love weather. And then he got this for my uncle because he likes spicy stuff. So we got him spicy chocolate. So yeah. And hope you liked my review or whatever. But the review was good, or like unboxing or whatever you call it. And bye.